shall do degree of comparison or adjectives. All right. Before I proceed with the topic, let me first explain what are adjectives. Okay. So kindly concentrate. See, what are adjectives? Okay. Adjectives are words. Okay. Words qualifying noun. All right. Words qualifying noun is called adjective. Let me just give you an example. Okay. A house. A house. So what is house? House is a noun, right? I say a house is burning. So burning becomes adjective. All right. How? Because burning is giving additional information about noun. And what do you say? Burning is qualifying noun. Okay. Whenever a word gives some additional information about what? About noun, not pronoun. Okay. Pronoun is completely different. As I told you in the previous video that noun and pronoun are two different types of speech. Okay. So when a word gives additional information about noun, we call it adjective. Okay. So I hope I'm clear with the basic meaning of adjectives. Okay, I should create another separate video on the or a lecture on adjectives separately. Okay. So now, we are about to do degree of comparison or adjectives. As we have a word here, burning. Okay. Again, when we add degrees or we qualify adjectives on several levels, then it becomes degree of adjectives. Okay. So there are how many levels? There are 3 levels on which adjectives are being determined. What are the 3 levels? Number 1 is positive. Okay. Positive degree. Number 2, comparative degree. Okay. Number 3 is superlative degree. Okay, we shall understand each of this concept with utmost clarity. Okay, see. So what is positive degree? Positive degree or positive adjective, okay, is a word that is not in the sense of comparative or superlative. How? Big. Let's suppose an adjective big. Okay, let me take an example first. Okay, Mr. A is big. Okay, or let me take this appropriate example. Okay, big doesn't sound. Mr. A is rich. All right. Am I comparing with anyone? No. Is he the richest? No. Mr. A is rich. Okay. There may be someone else who is richer than Mr. A, isn't it? Okay. So when we are not comparing with anyone, or when we do not prove someone as the only one, then it is called positive degree. Okay. Let me take another example. In case of comparative, okay, in comparative, what do? We compare. See how Mr. A is rich. This is what we did in positive case, isn't it? Okay. In case if positive degree was unclear, now it will be much more clearer to you. Okay. See, Mr. A is rich. In case of comparative degree, we shall add er. Why do we add er? I shall give you the concept. Okay. But first of all, just concentrate here. Mr. A is richer than. So why then? Because we are comparing here. Okay. Mr. A is richer than, suppose, Mr. B. All right. And in case of third, that is superlative. Okay. So how do I remember this? Just remember super. Okay. Superman. Okay. Do you remember the DC character? Okay. Superman. So superlative. Superlative means, of the highest degree, the best. There is no one like him, or there is no thing as such. All right. See, Mr. A. This is what we did. Mr. A is rich in positive. Okay. All the comparative and superlative comes from what? Positive. Okay. See, Mr. A is rich. Mr. A is rich, then we had added er and it became comparative degree. And in case of superlative, Mr. A is rich, right? This is positive, but we have to convert it into superlative. How do we convert it into superlative? Mr. A is the richest. Mr. A is the richest. Do we compare here again then B or no? No. Why? Because we are not making any kind of comparison. We are saying that Mr. A is the richest. All right. Now, sir, again, now you may have this doubt that, sir, why did you add er? Okay, let me just change the color of the stylus. See, okay, er and est, then and the. Okay, first let me explain er and est. See, when we, as I told you, okay, we are doing excuse me, we are doing degree of comparison, isn't it, or degree of adjective. We are comparing degrees. Degree means level. Okay, degree means level, comparison means compare. All right, and adjective we know we have done words qualifying noun. Okay, this means what? That there are levels on which adjective will be determined. See, rich here is what? Rich is adjective, isn't it? Okay, but in case of comparative degree we have added er, and in case of superlative degree we have added est. Okay, why did we add er and est? Now listen, see. Actually, before I explain you er and est, first let me explain syllables. Okay, syllables. There are cases of one syllable or greater than one syllable. Okay, this is completely a different concept. First, listen. See, one syllable or greater than one syllable. Okay, in case of one syllable, right? In case of one syllable, one syllable. Okay, we shall treat it in two different cases. First, in case of comparative, then in case of superlative. Right? So comparative. In case of comparative with one syllable, we add er, and in case of superlative, we add est. Okay. How do we determine one syllable or greater than one syllable? We shall learn in the next, as we proceed further. Okay, let me first explain this concept. And greater than, in case of, how do we treat comparative and superlative adjectives in case of syllables more than one? It is comparative is C, okay, and superlative it's more and most. All right, if an adjective has more than one syllable, we shall not add er, we shall add more. Okay, and if an adjective, in case of superlative, with one syllable we shall add est, more than one syllable we shall add most. Okay, now concentrate. How do we determine one syllable or two syllables? Okay, see, we determine syllables, okay, on the basis of positive degree. Okay, big, how many vowels are there? One vowel, isn't it? One vowel. So this becomes one syllable. So big is a one syllable. Strong has how many vowels? One vowel. So this becomes again one syllable. Are you getting it? I hope I'm clear. Okay, then say suppose good. Now you'll see. Okay, good has how many vowels? Two vowels. Okay, good has two vowels, but this is of one syllable. How? See, syllables, okay, always remember, syllables consider vowel sounds. It's very important, okay? Vowel sounds, not vowels itself, not vowels only. Meaning, say there was one vowel, so one vowel sign is sound, it's obvious I, okay? In case of strong, one vowel, so O, okay? So only one vowel sound. But in case of good, how many vowels? How many vowels? Two vowels, okay? But how many vowels sound? One vowel sound. Oo, G-O-O, oo, isn't it? How many vowel sounds? It's one vowel sound. Okay, so we consider vowel sounds, not vowels only. If there are two vowel sounds, say A and E, so we shall consider two syllables. Okay, in case of two syllables, we know how to treat it. Okay, in case of comparative and superlative. Okay, I mean syllables do not have much impact or no impact in positive degree. Syllables has impact in comparative and superlative only. In case of one syllable, it is ER. In case of two syllable, it is more comparative. Okay, and in case of superlative, one syllable EST, two syllable most, isn't it? Okay, now now you may come across a word, say bigger. Bigger is of how many syllable? We have I as one syllable, E as another syllable, E as another vowel. How many vowels? Two vowels. Again, two vowel sound. Bigger, B-E. Okay, I is pronounced as E, I, big, E, E sound. Okay, it's a vowel. Bigger, big, here. Okay, G-E-R, E is pronounced bigger. Ah means A. One is E and one is A. How many vowel sounds? Two vowel sounds. But is it of two syllables? No. Why? Because we decide syllables on the basis of positive degree. Okay. Okay. So I hope I'm clear with the concept of syllables. Remember this, okay? Let me just write it out as a note. The number of syllables for comparative and superlative degree, okay? The number of, if you are making a note, kindly note it down, okay? For your future reference. Okay, so the number of syllables for comparative and superlative are decided on the basis of syllables in positive degree. If in positive degree it is of one syllable, so comparative degree, in case of comparative degree, it will be treated as one syllable only. Okay, now check out this example. Beautiful. Beautiful is a positive degree, right? Why? Beautiful. Okay, say Miss A is beautiful. Okay, or any example. Okay, Miss A is beautiful, right? So this is a positive degree. Why? Because we are not comparing Mr. A, Miss A with anyone, or we are not saying that Miss A is the the only beautiful girl, or anywhere we consider it for that matter. Okay, so beautiful in this case has how many vowels? Has 5 vowels. But do we consider vowel or vowel sounds? We consider vowel sounds. Okay, vowel sounds. So how many vowel sounds are there? Beautiful, beautiful, E-A-U, U, E-A-U is pronounced as what? U. Okay, so how many vowel sounds? 1 vowel sounds. But how many vowels? 3 vowels. Okay, I hope I'm now you are much more clear with the concept of vowels and vowel sounds. Okay, T, view is done. Okay, of one syllable done. Now T, E, how many syllables? 1 syllable. Why? Because how many vowel sounds are there? Vowel 1, I mean again vowel sounds 1. Okay, and fool, oo, okay, means you, right? So how many vowel sounds? or O. Okay, let's suppose O. So how many vowel sounds? 3 vowel sounds. So it is of how many syllables? 3 syllables. All right. Done. So if in case of positive degree it is of 3 syllable, how many syllables will it behold in case of comparative and superlative? It will be of 3 syllables only. Why? Because the number of syllables for comparative and superlative are decided on the basis of syllables in positive degree. Done. I hope I am clear with the concept of syllables. Okay, I try to cover each and every concept. Now let us start with the examples. Okay, let us first start with positive degree. Okay, so positive degree are, say for example, this are adjective. Okay, this adjective we shall treat with degrees. Okay, rich, big, old, strong. Okay, then good, bad, okay, etc. Okay, so let us just try to solve with the help of these adjectives. Rich, Mr. A is rich. So this is a positive degree. Okay, Mr. A is rich. Are we comparing with anyone? No. So that is why this is a positive degree. Mr. A is rich. Okay, another example. Mr. A is strong. Okay, so these are all these are of positive degree. Done. So suppose Miss A is beautiful. Positive degree. Okay, Mr. A is good. Positive degree. Mr. A is bad. Positive degree. Done. Now we shall treat this adjectives on the grounds of comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree. What is comparative degree? Comparative degree means to compare. Okay, when we compare two things or two persons on the with the help of an adjective, we call it comparative degree. Okay, I shall use the same adjective. Okay, say rich, strong, beautiful. Okay, for your easy reference. Okay, say good and bad. Right. So just look at this. See, in case of positive degree, what did I do? I said Mr. A is rich. So in case of comparative degree, what will it be? Mr. A is rich, isn't it? This is positive degree. Mr. A is rich. This is what? Positive degree. But are we doing positive or comparative? We are doing here comparative. Okay. So now Mr. A is, now first of all, how do you solve this? Okay. Rich is of how many syllables? This is of one syllable, right? How? Because I has how many vowels? One vowel. And moreover, how many vowel sounds? One vowel sound. So rich is of one syllable. So we shall treat in the adjective rich as one syllable. How do we treat one syllable? Do we add er or more? Look at the rules. Okay, in case of one syllable comparative, we add er. Okay, so we shall add er. I hope I'm clear now. Okay, so richer, Mr. A is richer. When we compare, we add then. Okay, then say suppose Mr. B. Okay, let me take another example. Mr. A is strong. So this is a positive statement. We shall change it to comparative. Strong is of how many syllables? One syllable. Okay, so we shall add er. Mr. A is stronger than Mr. B. Okay, say suppose, let me take another example. Good. Okay, so Mr. A is, in case of positive it was what? Good. Okay, in case of positive it was, see, it was good. In case of comparative we don't say gooder. Okay, we say better, right? Do not say gooder. Okay, Mr. A is better than Mr. B. Okay, in case of bad we don't say better, we say worse. Mr. A is worse than Mr. B. Okay, so bad in case of comparative degree becomes worse, good in case of comparative degree becomes better. Now this is very important. Okay, we have treated the cases of ER. Now what we do in case of adjectives with 3 syllables. Okay, say Miss A is beautiful. This is a positive degree. We shall treat this into or change it into comparative degree. How do we change it? Miss A is beautiful, then say Miss B. Okay, Miss B. But when we treat, the adjective with 3 syllables, do we add er or more? See, adjectives with more than 1 syllable. Okay, in case of comparative we add more. So do we have to apply in case of comparative degree, do we have to put here more? Yes. Okay, where do we put? Here. Okay, Miss A is more beautiful than Miss B. You cannot say Miss A is beautifuler than Miss B. Okay, this will sound absurd. So what do? We put here Miss A is more beautiful than Miss B. Okay, so this is how we treat 1 syllable and more than 1 syllable cases. Let me take another example. Mr. A is intelligent. Intelligent is of how many syllables? Intelligent, legend. Okay, 4 syllables. So intelligent then Mr. B. Okay, see, intelligent. Again, there is another technique to understand this. See, when you pronounce this beautiful, as many stress you put while pronouncing a word, the number of syllables increases. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. How many? 1 plus 1. See, this is just a trick to remember. Okay, but do remember what is the actual way to remember? If you go literally, it is we consider vowel sounds, not the vowel. Okay, it is vowel sound. So Mr. A is intelligent. Intelligent is of how many syllables? More than 1 syllable. How do we treat adjectives in case of comparative degree with more than 1 syllable? We add more. Okay, we add more. Mr. A is more intelligent than Mr. B. Why then? Because we are comparing. See, in all the cases we have added then. Okay, why did I add then? Because we are treating the adjective in case of comparative degree. Okay, now let us move ahead and proceed with another concept of superlative degree. Superlative degree means highest level. Okay, it is of highest level. What did I say? How to remember? Superman. Okay, so how do you do superlative? Okay, let me take these examples. Rich, okay, strong, beautiful, good, bad. Okay, we have used this adjective in case of positive, we have used this adjective in case of comparative. Now we shall use these adjectives in case of superlative. ठीक है जी, चलिए. See, let me take an example. Okay, Mr. A is rich. Any sentence that you frame, okay, in case of degree of adjectives, it will first come from positive degree. Okay, unless some exception. Okay, any sentence, say in case of comparative degree or superlative degree, the sentence will first be framed from positive degree, then we shall use er or more, est or most, the or then, depending on the cases. Okay, see, Mr. A is rich. Didn't I do it in positive degree? See, Mr. A is rich. Okay, but are we treating positive degree or superlative degree? We are doing here superlative degree. So what will be the changes? With the changes, let me change the color of the ink. Okay, so Mr. A is superlative degree. Rich is of how many syllable? 1 syllable. How do we treat adjectives with 1 syllable? See, adjectives with 1 syllable. In case of superlative, est. Okay, comparative it was er. In case of superlative it is est. So we shall add est. Okay, it will become richest. Now In case of comparative, what did I add? Then. In case of superlative, I shall use the. Mr. A is the richest. If you do not use then in case of comparative, okay, and the in case of superlative, the sentence will be treated as incorrect. Okay, so make sure you add the in case of superlative and then in case of comparative with utmost precision. Okay, see, so Mr. A is the richest. Now let me proceed with another example. Mr. A is, say, strong. This is a positive degree. How do we treat in case of superlative degree? We shall first add est and the. The is making the sentence superlative. Est is how we treat adjective in case of one syllable. Okay, the is making the sentence superlative, and est is the degree that we add with the adjective. Okay, er is the degree that we had added with the adjective. Stronger, this is the degree that we have added with the adjective strong. Okay, er is not the word, strong is the word. What is the word here? Again, this is another concept. Okay, do remember, strong is the word. Okay, er is the degree. That is why we are doing degree of adjectives. Okay, this er, est, more, most, these are all degrees. Do you remember this? In case if someone asks you, okay, that what are the degree of adjectives, these are the degrees. Okay, er, est, more, most, these are the degrees. What are the adjectives? Big, strong, good, all these are adjectives. When you add er, so er is a degree. That is why we call degree of adjectives. All right. Okay, I've tried to cover each and every concept of degree of adjective at much ease. Okay, in case if any doubt persists, do WhatsApp me, or you can put a comment down below. Okay, let me proceed with some more examples. These are of one syllables. Okay, let me take a case of two syllable. Okay, Mr. A is intelligent. Okay, so intelligent is of how many syllables? More than one syllable. Okay, a word which is more than one syllable, how do we treat it in case of superlative degree? What do we add? See, look at the rules. Okay, see, more than one syllable. In case of comparative, it was more. In case of superlative, it is most. So we shall use most. Okay, and how do we make the sentence superlative? By adding the. Do not forget this word. Okay, the in case of superlative and then in case of comparative. I have been repeating this sentence again and again so that you do not make this silly error and lose mark in case of during your examination. Okay, so Mr. A is the most intelligent, say, student in the class. Okay, in the class. Okay, let me take another just another example. Say good. Okay, good in case of positive degree, it was good. Better in case of comparative degree. What do we do in case of superlative degree? Okay, how do we treat good in case of superlative degree? Mr. A is, it was good in case of positive, right? Better in case of comparative, and in case of superlative, it is best. Okay, do remember this: good, better, best. So Mr. A is best. So best is what? Best is the degree of adjective. What is, and how do we, when what is the word or what is the article that makes a sentence superlative? The. Okay, again, how do we treat bad? In case of comparative, it was worse. In case of superlative, it will be worst. Okay, worst. Worst is superlative, and what is the article? The. Mr. A is the worst student in the class. Mr. A is the best student in the class. Okay, Mr. A is the richest person in India. Mr. A is the strongest person in, say, Delhi, anywhere. All right, I hope I'm clear with the concept of positive, superlative, and comparative. Okay, so let us just revise this once. Okay, so positive, in case of positive degree, big. Okay, in case of superlative degree, sorry, comparative, okay, let me revise as I did before. Okay, so comparative degree. Okay, so we are just recapitulating whatever we have done so far. Okay, I'm just putting this video to end. So before I tap on stop button, let me just recapitulate this with my dear students. Okay, so positive degree, big. Comparative, in case of one syllable it is bigger, isn't it? Okay, in case of superlative it will be biggest. Okay, but what is the word here? Big. Big is the word. What are the ERs? ER and EST, these are degrees. All right, now these are of one, how many syllables? One syllable. Okay, now in case of two syllables, okay, or sorry, not two syllable, more than one syllable. More than one syllables. Okay, say interesting. Okay, this is another example, or sorry, adjective which I have not used. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, four syllables. Or if you consider this, okay, IESI, how many vowels? 4 vowels. How many vowel sounds? In, E, interesting, in, E. Okay, I is, what is the sound of I? E, isn't it? Okay, inta, A, re, E, ting, I, E, A, E, I. How many vowel sounds? 4 vowel sounds. So this is of 4 syllables. Okay, so more than one syllable basically. Okay, so in case of positive degree it is interesting. In case of comparative degree, how do we treat it? More interesting. Do not say interestinger. Okay, ठीक है जी, वो you know, I mean this will be treated as a silly error. Okay, so more interesting. And in case of superlative it is most interesting. Okay, I hope I am clear with the concept of adjectives. Okay, and let me just revise the concept of adjective once again. Okay, after you watch the video, say you like my education, you know, I mean the video. Okay, so you can say Sir Abdul. What is Sir Abdul? Sir Abdul is noun. Okay, proper noun. Okay, Sir Abdul is a good teacher. Okay, I hope you appreciate my work. Okay, I hope you do. Anyway, so in case if you say Sir Abdul is a good teacher, so good is giving some information about whom? Myself, or Sir Abdul. So good is what? It is adjective. All right, in case if you say Sir Abdul is a bad teacher, I okay, in case if you do. Okay, so let me take all the cases. Okay, so in case if you say Sir Abdul is a bad teacher, even in that case, bad is giving more information about Sir Abdul, so bad is again treated as adjective. Okay, I hope I refrain from this list. Okay, in case if I do, make sure you comment down below with all your doubts relating to degree of adjectives. Okay, so this is it. This is Sir Abdul here signing off. Thank you and Jai Hind.